let's talk about this. DFA and NFA equivalence. So actually we know that if we have a function, definitely this function is a relation. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Function
Yes,
is a kind of relation. By definition, function is a kind of relation. But there are some relations which are not function. Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
function is totally inside the relation set. But there are some relations which are not function. Am I right or not? Now we know that function is nothing but DFA. Am I right? And relation is nothing but NFA. Am I right?
NFA.
So what is the
Yes, sir.
conclusion? What is the catch? DFA is a subset of NFA.
NFA.
So whenever you draw a DFA, definitely it is a NFA. So this way conversion is already done by definition. Any DFA is a NFA. Now we have seen a technique, subset construction, by which we can convert any NFA to DFA by conversion. Now what is the catch? The catch is DFA and NFA are equal in power. DFA and NFA are equal in power. Whatever you can do using DFA, you can do using NFA. Whatever you can do using NFA, you can do using DFA as well. So it proves DFA and NFA are equivalent in power. QED proved. It is a very important thing. This theorem is very important, that they are equivalent in power. And using the conversion technique, we have shown it is indeed. All right. So do you have any question? No question? So let's talk about today's class. That is called state minimization.
স্যার
Yes.
স্যার কেউ যদি ইকুয়েশন দিয়ে প্রমাণ করতে বলে যে ডিএফ এর ওটা ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট, তাহলে কি স্যার এটার কোনো মানে অন্য কোনো ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল টার্মের মতো কিছু
কিভাবে
দেখাতে
আপনি ইকুয়েশন দিয়ে প্রমাণ করবেন ডিএফ এর
না না আমি স্যার সেটা বলতেছিলাম, মানে স্যার অনেক ম্যাথে থাকে না যে প্রুফ টেকনিকের মতো, ওই ধরনের কোনো টেকনিক কি আছে নাকি জাস্ট এইরকম ভাবে দেখে?
এটা তো একটা অটোমেটা। ইটস অটোমেটা। তো মানে অটোমেটা তো আর সবসময় যে কোনো জেনারেল অটোমেটাকে তো আপনি ইচ্ছা করলে ইকুয়েশন দিয়ে প্রকাশ করতে পারবেন। এটা তো মেশিন।
জি স্যার।
ইট এক্সিস্ট।
জি স্যার। তাহলে কেউ কোনো কোশ্চেন করলে জাস্ট নরমালি তো এই জিনিসটা দেখে দিবেন।
তখন আপনি বলবেন যে ভাই আমি আসলে কিন্তু আই ইউজ ম্যাথমেটিক্স। Function, any function can be represented by DFA.
Yes, sir.
Any relation can be represented by NFA.
NFA. Yes,
and function is a kind of relation. So function is a subset of relation. So definitely DFA is a subset of NFA. That means any DFA is NFA. Now,
yes,
by conversion, we can convert any NFA to DFA. So definitely they are equivalent in power. It's a mathematical proof.
Yes, sir.
It is nothing like it's a bogus proof. It's a mathematical proof. Okay. Now, state minimization of DFA. That is another important concept. So let's take this example. Let's assume my language is this. My alphabet is A, B. My language is so how can I draw finite automata for this? My alphabet is A, B. Language is all strings length greater or equal to 3. What would be my finite automata? It might be like this. This is nothing but length 0. This is nothing but length 1. This is nothing but length This is nothing but. And I remember. Definitely, this is the correct answer. Am I right or not? Am I right or not?
জি স্যার।
It's the correct answer. Now let's do this. This is length 0. This is length 1. This is length 2. Length 3. Length 4. Definitely. So instead of one final state, I have two final states. It is also correct answer. Am I right or not?
জি স্যার।
So what is the difference between these two? This finite automata and this finite automata?
স্যার প্রথমটা হলো স্যার মিনিমাল স্পেস আর দ্বিতীয়টাতে স্যার একটা স্পেস বেশি আছে।
Okay, so first one there are 4 states. Second one I
Yes,
have
sir.
5 states.
জি
So
স্যার।
there is a concept called minimal DFA. So what is the definition of minimal DFA? What is the definition of minimal DFA?
মানে স্যার ফাইনাল স্পেসের সংখ্যা যত কম মানে যত ছোট করা যায়।
Number of states are minimum. That is called minimal DFA. Now there's an interesting theorem. There's an interesting theorem. Let's assume I'm playing a game with Ratul. Ratul, are you listening? Ratul? Ratul is not listening. Who is listening? Ahmed Hassan?
Sir,
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
let's take this. Let's assume this is me. This is Bijoy. And this is Hamid Hassan. Let's assume I have a language. I have an alphabet, I have a language, and I know that the finite automata for this language minimum must have 4 states. Finite automata for this language minimum has 4 states. So Bijoy come up with a solution for this language, which has, this is my finite automata 1, and I have 4 states. For same language, Hamid come with another finite automata. Finite automata 2. Finite automata 2 for his one also has 4 states. And both are correct. This one is correct, this one is correct. And we have both have minimal number of states. Minimum states. Then actually we can say finite automata 1 is equal to finite automata. That means they are same. No difference will be there. Is it clear to you guys? So minimal. So what is the catch? Minimum finite of DFA. Let's call it DFA. Minimal DFA is unique. Okay? So please remember this line. Minimal DFA is unique. But If you come up with non-minimal DFA, that means your state has more states than the minimum number, then your DFA might not be unique. Did you get it? Is this clear to you? Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minimal DFA should be unique. No matter which person is going to draw that one. They are always same. But if your DFA does not contain more than, if your DFA contains more than minimal states, they might not be unique. They might have different solutions. Okay. Now, converting any DFA to minimal DFA is called minimization. Converting any DFA to minimal DFA is called minimization. So what is the catch? In this case, we know that this is the minimum. And this one is not definitely not minimum. So if we convert this one to this one, this is nothing but called minimization. So this is the technique. Using minimization, we can convert any lengthy DFA to minimal DFA. Okay, guys. Now, what is the
Yes, sir.
technique for minimization? All the minimization algorithms, they depend on special theorem. All the minimization depends on a special theorem that is called Myhill-Nerod. They are name of two person. Myhill is one person, and Nerod is another person. Nerod is an Indian guy, Anil Nerod. Myhill-Nerod theorem. And there are two techniques I can know. One is called table filling method. And another one is, there are a few other techniques as well. One is table filling method, another one is actually called partition method. Another one is more interesting. I have read it in Wikipedia. DFA to NFA, then again convert it to DFA, and this DFA would be minimum. But I did not know the proof of this one, whether it is correct or not. But it is also possible. DFA 1, convert it to NFA, then convert it to DFA 2, then it would become minimum. Most probably some Russian computer scientists, they have come up with this one. And these two are actually same. That is no big difference. Procedure is little bit different. Table filling method and partition method. We are going to study partition method. Table filling method is little bit, a lot of calculation you need to do. Partition method is completely easy, comparatively easy. But all these three based on Myhill-Nerod theorem. Their correctness depends on this algorithm, this theorem, Myhill-Nerod theorem. Do you have any question to ask?
No, sir.
So what is partition method? Let's talk about the partition method first. Then so tell me, if you have a DFA which has final states and non-final states, how much minimization is possible? Highest. Just assumption. Just assume, or your intuition, use your intuition. If I have a finite automata, let's assume something like this, very complicated one. These two are final state. So if you minimize, what would be the least states possible?
1.
One. Why one? Why one?
স্যার n-1
N minus one is possible.
মানে স্যার হচ্ছে আমার যদি 5টা স্টেট থাকে 5-1 4টা স্টেটে ডিএফএ কমপ্লিট করলে
কেন চারটা স্টেট তো কমে, চারটা স্টেট তো কমে দুইটাও হইতে পারে।
না মানে আই গেস স্যার আই অ্যাজিউম
না, দ্যাট ইজ নট ট্রু। চারটা কমে তো দুইটাও হতে পারে। ও বলেছে একটা, একটা হতো যদি কেবলমাত্র ফাইনাল স্টেট থাকতো, বা কেবলমাত্র যদি দ্যার ইজ অনলি নন ফাইনাল স্টেট, দেন উই ক্যান কনভার্ট ইট টু অনলি ওয়ান স্টেট। But there are only two groups. One groups are non-final state, another is final states. So at least how many states I require?
2 then.
Two, right? But yes, so her assumption is very fine. He says that I can convert it to only one single state, and that is my final state. But actually, in this finite automata, where there are some states are non-final and some states are final, definitely I should have a final state and there should have a non-final state. Am I right or not? What is your assumption? Because some strings I need to accept, some strings I need to reject. So definitely I should have at least two states. Am I right?
জি স্যার।
Yes.
Now the thing is, initially we'll consider there are only two groups. One is non-final, another one is final. Only two groups. Then subsequently, using a concept of equivalence, we are going to see we cannot have only two groups. If it is not possible, then we have to break out this non-final states to more. We have to need to break out this final states to more. So this way we will continue until we get complete end of the algorithm. We have to divide the larger group to smaller groups. Whenever we get the end of the algorithm, we can say, yes, that's fine. That is my minimum. Is it clear to you guys?
স্যার ব্রেক করব কেন স্যার?
সেটা ব্রেক করতে হবে, সেটাই দেখাবো কেন ব্রেক করব, সেটা নিয়ে
স্যার
আলোচনা।
আবার একটু রিপিট করবেন।
Initially, whenever a finite automata has some final states and non-final states, definitely we need at least two states, one for accepting, another for rejecting. Accepting state is nothing but final, rejecting state is nothing but non-final. So initially we'll start with, we assume there are only two groups. One is non-final states, another is final states. So there are only two groups. But subsequently, using a concept called equivalence, we are going to see we have to break this non-finals to more groups, this final to more groups. Ultimately, when we are end with the algorithm, we are going to see we get our answer. That this is the minimum groups we require, then we are done with the minimization. Is it clear to you? So this is the concept of minimization. Concept.
স্যার
This is the algorithm. What is happening? Now the question is, how can you actually divide this? We are absolutely fine with your concept that there are initially two groups, non-finals and finals. But ultimately, how can you break up to more? And how can you add that we are done? Using a concept called equivalence. Using a concept called equivalence. So what is equivalence? Let's study. So this is the Myhill-Needham theorem, equivalence. Equivalence of DFA. Let's say if P reading omega is a string. If P reading omega go to final state, logical equivalent to if Q reading omega go to final state. Or or if P reading omega go to non-final state, logical equivalent to if Q reading omega go to non-final. If any one of these two correct, then we can say P logical equivalent to Q. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
P reading omega go to final state and Q reading omega go to final state, or if P reading omega go to non-final state and Q reading omega go to non-final state, both go to non-final state, both go to final state. So both go to final state or both go to non-final state. If this is the case, we call P and Q are logical equivalent. P and Q equivalent. Is that clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Now see,
yes,
there is the omega over there. Omega can be any string. Omega can be any string. Okay? Omega can be any string. Whenever omega can be any string. So whenever length of omega, the coordinate of omega is 0, we call it zero equivalence. When length of omega is 1, we call it 1 equivalence. When omega equal to 2, we call it 2 equivalence. So this will continue, omega n equal to n equivalence. So this is the concept of equivalence. When length of omega is 0, that is 0 equivalence. When length of omega is 1, 1 equivalence. This will continue. So that is the definition of equivalence. All right, guys? Do you have any question or not?
no, sir.
Okay.
Not.
When we are going to stop and the process? When omega n equivalence and omega n plus 1 equivalence, they are same, stop, end of the algorithm. Did you get it? কনসেপ্টটা তার মানে কিভাবে শুরু হলো অ্যালগরিদমটা? হাউ ডিড উই স্টার্ট? ইনিশিয়ালি we take a big group, only 2 states, non-finals and finals. This is nothing but zero equivalence. Then using this criteria of equivalence, we are going to see that one equivalence is equal to zero equivalence or not. If they are not equal, based on this equivalence criteria, we are going to break down. Then this will continue. Suddenly we will see that n equivalence and n plus 1 equivalence, they are becoming same. Then we are going to stop. We are end the process. That means we no longer need any further breaking down. So that is the concept. Is it clear to you? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
তার মানে we'll start with a very big group. That is only 2 states, non-final and final. That is nothing but zero equivalence. Then using this equivalence criteria, we are breaking down the big groups because they no longer equivalence for bigger strings. So this will breakdown. Suddenly we will see that both of these two, that means when length of W is n and length of W is n plus 1, they are repeating. Equivalence becoming repeating. That means that is the end criteria. We no longer need further breakdown. Now what happened? That length might be 4, length might be 5, length might be 6. But there is a catch. If my finite automata has only 6 steps, So how many equivalents I require to getting repetition? Tell me. If my finite automata has 6 states, how many breakdown I require? Initially there are 2 groups. Then I break down. So how many equivalents I require?
3.
3.
Why 3? Why 3?
Minimum 2.
Minimum 2. Initially, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is my final state. So group would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then it is breaking down. 1
Oh.
is separated, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again separated. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again breaking down. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again breaking down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many states I require?
6.
How many states I require?
6.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5. Sorry.
At least I need 5. কারণ ব্রেকডাউন করতে করতে আমার 5 এ চলে গেলে সবাই সবার থেকে সেপারেটেড হয়ে যায়। And what is the catch of this? What is the catch of this? What is the catch of this? That means the finite automata, the DFA you have given, that is already minimized. You cannot minimize it further. Am I right?
Yes.
Done? Then initially I have 6 states. After finishing the algorithm, still I have 6 states. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is actually whatever DFA you have given, that is already minimized. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start the algorithm. Let's start with a example. So let's draw a DFA. Let's draw this way. Let's assume my language is A, B. Done. So this is a DFA. Let's take another one, H. Okay. So this is my DFA, which I want to minimize. Am I right? So what would be the first step? What would be the first step? First step, I have to
Final.
find out.
Initial and final state.
Now, first step হচ্ছে গিয়ে, at first I have to find out, is there any redundant part in the DFA or not? Redundant means from starting state, is there any states which cannot be reached? So that because those are redundant, we can never reach to those states. Intentionally or unintentionally, those are given to confuse us. So those no longer part in the main rejection or accepting part. So let's try with this. Starting state is A. A to B you can go, so it is reachable. A to C you can reachable. A to B to E is reachable. A to B to E to F is reachable. A to B to E to F to G is reachable. But A to H you cannot go.
Yes.
So definitely we can discard that. So we are done. So very initially, so what is the step 1? Discard any unreachable states because those are redundant. They cannot part in any kind of calculation. Now let's start. First step, which is nothing but zero equivalence. আচ্ছা এটার জন্য যেহেতু ইকুইভ্যালেন্স বের করব আমার মনে হয় ইয়াটা এখানে নিলে ভালো হবে। Let's draw the table. Table দিয়ে কাজটা করা সহজ। So let's draw table first. How many states are there? A, B, C, E, F, G. A, B, C, E, F, G. A and B. A seeing A, where should it go?
B, B, C,
BC.
B
Oh,
or
আচ্ছা,
C, sir.
B or C, দুইটা দিন the B then DFA তো DFA NFA মিনিমাইজেশন করা যায় না এবার ঠিক আছে A seeing A, where should I go?
B,
B.
A seeing B, where should I go? C.
C.
DFA minimization is only possible using DFA, not NFA. This algorithm for DFA. So B seeing A, where should it go? B. B seeing B, where should it go? B.
E,
Then C seeing the B there.
B দিয়ে দেন স্যার, হ্যাঁ।
C seeing A, where should it go? E.
E,
C
E.
seeing B, where should it go? C.
C.
C,
E seeing A, where should it go? E seeing A,
F.
F. B I move line, তাহলে এখানে B দেব। F. F seeing A, B, both G,
G, both
and
G.
G seeing A, B, both G. What is the start state? A. What is the final state? F and G both. We are done. Now we are trying to minimize this. What is the algorithm? At first, we have to find the big group, which is nothing but zero equivalence. Am I right? What is the zero equivalence? What is the zero equivalence? That means without reading any string. Without reading any string, what would be the equivalence?
0.
Zero equivalence is nothing but without reading any string. মানে
Yeah.
epsilon. Reading epsilon, what would be the equivalence? What would be the equivalence?
A,
A, B, C, E.
All
And-
the yes, two groups are there. All the final states and the non-final states. So non-final states are
A, B, C, E.
A, B, C, E,
Yes.
and all the final states. So F and
F and G.
now let's go to one equivalence. So we know the definition of equivalence. So let's write this one. A. Let's try to find out is for one equivalence B is with A or not. B seeing A, why should it go? B seeing
E.
A, why should it go? E. So
E.
B seeing A should go to here. And B seeing B, why should it go?
B,
So both
itself.
we are going to take the previous step. Where in one equivalence, we are taking the previous step. That is means zero equivalence. And we are trying to find out they are one equivalence or not. So B for A and B both go to this one. Now let's take A. A seeing A, why should it go? A seeing A, B. So in this group. And B, A seeing B, why should it go?
C.
So in this group. So both are actually same group for one equivalence also. So A, B are same. Now let's take C. C seeing A, why should it go? E.
E.
So this group. C seeing B, why should it go? C. So in this
C.
group. So both three of these in the same group. Now let's take E. E seeing A, why should it go? F.
F.
So definitely they are not in the same group because 18 times A, B both are in the same group in the zero equivalence. But E is going to separate group. So E is separate. And F seeing A, why should it go? G here. F seeing B, why should it go?
G.
and G is going to G. So F and G are equal. So we are done with one equivalence. Now let's take two equivalence. In two equivalence, we are forgot about zero equivalence. We are taking this one.
স্যার লাস্টেরটা আবার একটু বলবেন, ওটা ঠিক বুঝিনি।
কোনটা?
ওই স্যার ই এর পরে যে এফ আর জি এটা
F seeing A, why did it go G? So this group. And F
Yes.
seeing B go to G, both. For A or B, it is going to this group. And G going to A, G going to G for B. So both are in the same group. This one. So they are
তাহলে
same.
স্যার ই আর ওইটা লাস্টের এটা স্যার ডিফারেন্ট গ্রুপ কেন হলো?
কারণ ই আচ্ছা এটা আপনি বলতে চাচ্ছেন যে কেন আমি ই তো এটার সাথে জয়েনও করতে পারি।
জি স্যার,
আমি-
জি স্যার।
আচ্ছা মূল ব্যাপার হচ্ছে কি জয়েনের কোনো ফ্যাক্টর নাই। There is no join. In this case, in this algorithm, partition method, you can never join. You always separate.
ও তাহলে স্যার কখনোই জয়েন
কারণ
করা
হচ্ছে
যাবে না?
কি না ইটস এ গুড কোশ্চেন কারণ ই in the previous state it is different. E is here and F and G is here. Am I right?
জি স্যার।
তার মানে they can never be combined. It is separate, divorced forever.
জি স্যার, বুঝতে পেরেছি।
আগের স্টেটে যেগুলো ডিভোর্স they are separate, they can never merge again. Okay,
জি স্যার।
because in this one equivalence they might be same, but zero equivalence they are different. Am I right or not?
জি স্যার।
So totally, if you compute all the equivalence, definitely they are different for some string. Am I right?
জি স্যার।
So they are not couple forever. Am I right? We are trying to find out who are couple forever. Am I right or not? Who
Yes.
always remain
Yes.
in the set. Who always remain. It is like an old story, old love story. Okay, it's the old love story. Who will always remain couple forever? এই যে কি জানি আগের যে সিনেমাগুলো old movies like which people will live forever. This kind of couples we are trying to find out. Okay, now it might happen in one equivalence E and FG are same, might be, but as they are different in zero equivalence, we don't consider them couple forever. Is it clear to you?
জি স্যার।
So this
Yes,
this
sir.
algorithm is one way. We are always partition. We are always partition. There is no merging happening here. No merging is happening. Only the partition. We are testing the couples who will live forever. It is nothing like that. One person getting divorced, then getting married again divorced, again married. It is permissible in Islam. Okay, so don't worry. So those things cannot be considered. It is all about the couples who live forever. Am I right? Did you get it?
জি স্যার।
So once couple, then divorce, then married again and divorce, then again married. That is not permissible there. One-way algorithm. Done? Is there any question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So let's go to two equivalence. So where again, so they are separated, we don't care. E is already separated, we don't care. He will be separated forever. Let's talk about this group. Let's take A. A seeing A. Where it is going? B. That means this group. A seeing B. Where it is going this group. C. Am I right?
Yes.
So A
Yes,
is
sir.
both cases. Now forget about zero equivalence. We are talking about one equivalence. So A would be in two equivalence in this group. Now let's take B. B seeing A. Where it is it is going to E. So definitely it is not with A anymore. So B is separated. Did you get it? Now
Yes,
let's
sir.
take C. C seeing A going to E. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You might be grouped with B. So now let's talk about B. B seeing B. Where it is going? B. So here. For A, it is going to E. For B, it is going to C. And E seeing A going to E. Okay, fine. And B, it is going to C. Okay, all right. So they are grouped. They are also grouped in two equivalents. Did you get it? Done. E is already separated. Now let's go to F. F seeing A, where it is going? A. F sync B, where it is going? B. Both cases, this group. G, so they seems couple forever. No problem. Done? Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to 3 equivalent.
স্যার বিসি
হ্যাঁ?
পার্টটা একবার বলবেন স্যার
কোন পার্টটা?
স্যার
খেয়াল করেন,
স্যার বিসি
দেখেন, খেয়াল করেন, B seeing A going to E, that means here. Am I right?
ইয়েস স্যার
B is seeing A going to E here, and B seeing B going to here. Am I right?
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes.
Now C seeing A going to here, and C seeing B going to where?
Going to here.
Here. So they are actually same group.
Yes, yes.
Now let's go to 3 equivalents. A is already separated. Don't think about that one. Let's talk about B. B seeing A going to E here, and B seeing B going to B. That means here. And C seeing A going to here, E. And C seeing B going to here, C. So they are same. And let's talk about F. F seeing A going to here. F seeing B going to here. G is of course here. So F. G. So done. Repetition.
Sir, E.
E is already separated. So don't think about that. Now we get the repetition. 2 and 3 equivalents are same. So we have to stop here. And
Okay.
end of the algorithm. Means
Got
3 equivalents. If you try to find 4 equivalents, you can consider this one is the 3 equivalents, get the same result. So what would be the finite automata? Finite automata should have only 4 states. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, E, G. So how can we move the transition? A seeing A going to B, and
স্যার এফজি হবে না
স্যার FG হবে না?
FG. BC, B seeing A going to E, BC going to E, E seeing A going to and final states would be both F comma G. So we are done. So this is the final automata. So this is the minimization. Did you get it? How many states in the original finite automata? 1, 2, 3,
Six.
4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
7.
7. Ultimately, after minimization, we have 4.
4.
So this is that. So remember, no merging would be there. Once divorced, once divorced, they are always remain divorced. They cannot marry again. The same way, once one equivalence is broken, that means they are not couple anymore. They are broken. We are only find out the old style couples, which people will remain for one another for always. We are trying to find out those kind of couples. Do you have any question? You can ask. Once divorced, then married, then divorced, then again married. This kind of couple cannot be considered. So the conclusion is, once we are breaking apart, we cannot merge again. There is no merging in this algorithm, only partition. This algorithm, only partition is happening, and we are trying to find out the couple we are living forever. Simple.
স্যার লাস্টের পার্ট থেকে কি আবার একটু রিপিট করবেন? 3 ইকুইভ্যালেন্স থেকে
কোনটা?
স্যার 3 ইকুইভ্যালেন্স থেকে
থ্রি ইকুইভ্যালেন্স তো এন্ড করলাম, কারণ দুটো একই। 2 ইকুইভ্যালেন্স আর 3 ইকুইভ্যালেন্স সেম। সো উই আর এন্ড।
মানে স্যার 2 থেকে স্যার 3 এর ব্যাপারটা স্যার একটু
2 এর থেকে 3 থেকে একই প্রসেস কন্টিনিউ করেন, দেখবেন এটাই পাবেন। কন্টিনিউ করেন।
পরে স্যার যে ফাইনালটা কিভাবে ড্র করলেন ওইটা, এই যে এ তারপর বিসি
ফাইনালটি ড্র করলাম এই যে টেবিল থেকে। A seeing A going to B. So A seeing A going to B, and A seeing B going to C. So this one. Then B going to A, going to E.
ও
B
জি
going
স্যার
to B.
বুঝতে পেরেছি স্যার
Okay,
স্টেট
simple.
ডায়াগ্রাম থেকে
Table
শুরু
থেকে। স্টেট ডায়াগ্রাম থেকে কারেক্ট হবে। মার্জ করলেও কারেক্ট আনসার আসবে।
জি স্যার বুঝতে পেরেছি স্যার।
আমরা কি আরেকটা एग्जांपल করব আজকে? এটা আরেকটা এক্সাম্পল করব।
জি স্যার, করতে পারেন।
তো ঠিক আছে, আরেকটা এক্সাম্পল করি। আপনাদের নোন একটা এক্সাম্পল করি, তাহলে আপনাদের সুবিধা হবে। একটা নোন এক্সাম্পল দেন, যে কোনো একটা ডিএফএ বলেন, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ বলেন আমাকে। Let's take this. My language is starts with a and length greater or equal to 3. Sorry. What would be the final automata for this? Alphabet is A comma B. Alphabet is A comma B. Length is start with A and length is greater or equal to 3. What would be the final automata for this? If starts with B, where should I go?
So dead state.
Dead
Dead
state.
state.
And I will remain in the dead state. If I get A, that would be
I need 3A.
3A or A, B, B. So A comma B. So this is the minimal DFM. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the minimal DFM. So let's add some more states over here. Let's move A comma B here. Remove this. Put it here A comma B. Let's remove this. Put it here A comma B and move it here and then put A comma B. So this is also correct answer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what would be the states? Okay. Okay. So what is the table for this?
So I need to draw a table.
Yes.
স্যার
At
একটা
first-
ডিএফএ কি স্যার একটা ডিএফএ তে কি স্যার মাল্টিপল ডেড স্টেটস থাকতে পারে স্যার?
কোনো সমস্যা নাই, আমি দিলাম। এখানে আসলে এখন এটার ডেথ স্টেট নাই, এটা ডেথ স্টেট হয়ে গেছে, ডি ড্যাশটা ডেথ স্টেট হয়ে গেছে। এটা মনে করেন ডেথ স্টেট তো এ কমা বি, তা আমি এটা যদি এক্সটেন্ড করি তাহলে তো কোনো সমস্যা নাই, দুটো তো ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট। Am I right or not?
ইয়েস স্যার।
It is going to reject any string a comma b after getting this. It is also going to reject any strings after getting this a comma b. So these are two equivalents. Am I right? So giving an example of minimization, I extend the death state. No problem with that. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার।
So let's try to draw. So first one is finding the unreachable states. So A to B possible, A B C possible, A B C D, A B C E possible, A B C E F possible, A to D possible, A D D dash possible. So all are reachable. So nothing to discard here. So let's draw the table. After finite automata, how do you enjoy the classes actually? Did you get the concept of finite automata?
জি স্যার।
So
Yes,
you
sir.
understand what is happening here actually. So these are actually small parts of computer. The whole computer can be designed as a complicated automata. So you understand the concept. So if you at least understand the concept, what is automata, then my course is successful. Many people might not get all the algorithms. That is fine. But if you understand the core part, that what is automata and how it works, then I believe I am successful enough. Because finite automata and moreover the concept, many concepts I'm dealing in the class, those are really very complicated. I'm trying to give you a very simple proof, simple way I'm describing and proving those things, that's fine. But actually proving those complicated. My proofs are correct, but complicated. So if you at least understand what is automata and how it works and what is the aim of automata in computer science, I believe my course is successful. And I believe maximum of you understand what is happening here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
A, B,
Yes, sir.
C, E, F,
স্যার ডি ডি ড্যাশ
D, D dash. আমাকে একটু বললেন, মুভগুলা বললেন। Did you draw this one? No, sir. Okay, let's go back. A sync A going to B, A sync B going to D, BD. B sync A B going to C, CC. C sync A B goes to E, EE. E sync A B going to F, FF. F sync FF. D sync A B D dash D dash D dash D dash.
ডি ড্যাশ ডি ড্যাশ
Done. So we are going to minimize this, and we know the minimized version of it. So first one is zero equivalence. So what is the first start state? This one. What is the final state? E and F. All right, guys. So first one is my zero equivalence. Zero equivalence. So what is the zero equivalence? All the non-final states and the final states. What are the non-final states? A, B, C, D, D dash. What is the final states? E,
E,
F.
F.
Now we are going to find out one equivalence using this one. Zero equivalence. So A sync A going to B here, and A sync B going to D here. Okay, fine. B sync A going to C here, and B sync B going to C here. So they are equivalent. All right. Now let's go to E. C. C sync A going to E. Definitely they are separated. At the first shot they are separated. And C sync B also going to E. So both here. Now let's go to D. D sync A going to D dash. D sync A going to D dash. So here. And D sync B going to here, D dash. So definitely they are same. And D dash sync A going to here. D dash, this means this group. D sync B going to D dash, this means this. So they are also same.
Same group.
Same group, same. Now let's talk about this group. E sync A going to F, this group. And E sync B going to B, this group. We are not considering C because remember, C is already divorced. Here it is in this group, and in the one equivalence, it is getting divorced from this group. So we are not going to merge with this group. Don't try that one. It will not merge. And if it is merged, then it would be a wrong thing because zero equivalence, they are different. So remember, no merging is there. Now F sync A going to this group and F sync B going to this group. So E and F are same. Now let's talk about two equivalence. A sync A going to B, so this group. A sync B going to D, so this group. Okay, fine. Now let's talk about B. B sync A going to C. Okay, all right. So you are separated. Now let's talk about D. D sync A going to D dash, this group. And D sync B going to D dash, same group. So D is here. D dash sync A going to D dash, this group. And D dash sync B going to D dash, this group. So fine. So they are separated. They are separated. E sync A going to, so they actually same. These two are same. So they are coupled forever. We can say without any doubt. All about logic. Am I right?
Yes,
E
sir.
saying going to A, E saying going to A, F, E saying B going to F. So same. So they would be always same. No doubt about that. Logic. Let's go about 3 equivalents. A saying A going to B, all right. And A saying B going to D.
D.
So here, so it is separated. D saying A, so they are also same. So they are couple forever, but D saying A going to D dash. So here, so they must be separated. Separated, and we know that they are couple forever. Now they are couple forever. So 4 equivalents would be also same. A, D dash, B, C, E, F. So done, same, end of the algorithm. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's draw the finite automata.
Yes, sir.
Let's draw the finite automata for this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states. A, D dash, B, C, E, F. Starting from here, A saying A going to B, saying B going to D, B saying A going to C, B saying B going to C, C saying A going to E, E going to. So we are returning back to same minimized. Am I right or not? Same minimized. This one and the minimized version of this, they are same. Did you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
do you have any question you can ask?
No, sir.
স্যার আগের এক্সাম্পলে স্যার আমরা বি আর সি কে কম্বাইন করেছিলাম স্যার।
কোথাও বিআরসি কে কম্বাইন করে না।
স্যার আগের এক্সাম্পলটা
মানে
ওটা
যেটা
তো আমরা এক ঘরে ছিল এই জন্য
ওটা তো অন্য প্রবলেম ছিল। আর বিআরসি কে কম্বাইন করি নাই। বিআরসি কখনো they are couple forever. They are not separated for any time. That's why I write BC. That is a
স্যার
separate.
এটা সেপারেট হয়ে গেছে।
আমি বুঝলাম না, এটা তো ওয়ান প্রবলেম, এটা তো আরেকটা প্রবলেম। দে আর ডিফারেন্ট প্রবলেম।
ইয়েস স্যার, এই প্রবলেমটা তো স্যার এটা সেপারেট হয়ে গেছে স্যার বিসি থেকে।
হ্যাঁ, কারণ আমরা দেখলাম তারা সেপারেট হয়ে যায়। আমি বুঝলাম না,
Yes,
দুইটা তো দুই প্রবলেম। Those
Sir,
two are
বুঝতে
different. মানে আমি ঠিক বুঝলাম না, একটা প্রবলেমে বিআরসি সেপারেটেড, আরেকটা প্রবলেমে বিআরসি কাপল ফর এভার। হোয়াটস রং উইথ দ্যাট? Is there anything wrong? Because of the algorithm, because of the movement of the algorithm, they are getting separated. And previous one, because of the movement of the algorithm, they are coupled forever. Because those two are separate problems. Am I right? All right, so
Yes.
this is the end of state minimization. If you have any question, you can ask.
স্যার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স
At least দিতে হবে, না নেই।
চলবে
আর
স্যার
ভালো-
না নিলেও
না নিলেও চলবে। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, নেই।
চলবে স্যার।
স্যার আমি যদি এনএফএ কে ডিএফএ তে কনভার্ট করে তারপর মিনিমাইজ করি স্যার তাহলে কি হবে স্যার?
হবে, কিন্তু এটা তো অনেক কমপ্লিকেটেড হবে। ওটা একটা অ্যালগরিদম আছে, যে দেখি এটা একটা ট্রাই করবো, দাঁড়াও। এটা একটা অ্যালগরিদম আছে, একটা এনএফএ কে, ওটা হচ্ছে ডিএফএ কে, না ওটা ওইরকম না, জিনিসটা একটু কমপ্লিকেটেড। ওই অ্যালগরিদমটা ট্রাই করবো, দাঁড়াও। ওটা কমপ্লিকেটেড আছে, খুব কমপ্লিকেটেড অ্যালগরিদম। ওটা হচ্ছে এরকম। হ্যাঁ, ওটা বলতেছে, এটা একটা রাশিয়ান কম্পিউটার সায়েন্টিস্ট বের করছে। তা আমি জানি না ওটা কারেক্ট কিনা অলওয়েজ, বাট আমি জানি এই যে table filling method and this one is correct. I know that. I can prove that. Table filling method and partition method are correct. They are going to give correct output. I can prove that one. কিন্তু ওইটা যে correct, I cannot prove that one. But তার প্রসেসটা জানি, প্রসেসটা দেখাচ্ছি।
ওকে স্যার।
তার প্রসেসটা খুব মজার প্রসেস, কিন্তু রাশিয়ান ম্যাথমেটিশিয়ান করছে কমপ্লেক্স। আচ্ছা এই এক্সাম্পলটাই নেই, এটা দিয়ে ট্রাই করি। এটা আমি কখনো ট্রাইও করি নাই, মানে ওটা আমার কাছে খুব বিজার লাগে জিনিসটা। এখানে কমপ্লেক্সিটির ব্যাপার আছে, তো এখানে কমপ্লেক্সিটি কত অ্যালগরিদম, এই অ্যালগরিদমের কমপ্লেক্সিটি কত? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য কমপ্লেক্সিটি অফ দিস
স্যার
অ্যালগরিদম?
এনএফএ কে ডিএফএ, স্যার এনএফএ তে তো ডেড স্টেটের দরকার নাই, ডিএফএ করলে একটা ডেড স্টেট দিয়ে সেম এরকম
দেখা
হবে।
না না আমি বলছি দেখাবো, এটা আগে এটাই থাকে। এটার কমপ্লেক্সিটি কত? ও টু দি পাওয়ার নাম্বার অফ স্টেটস ইন অরিজিনাল ডিএফএ, এটা হচ্ছে এটার কমপ্লেক্সিটি, মানে পলিনোমিয়াল না, এটা হচ্ছে লিনিয়ার টু নাম্বার অফ স্টেটস ইন অরিজিনাল ডিএফএ। ভেরি গুড অ্যালগরিদম। আর ওইটাতে যান, ওইটা খুবই কমপ্লিকেটেড না। দেখেন চিন্তা করেন, ওইটা হচ্ছে এরকম প্রসেসটা বলতেছি, দেখেন লেটস ট্রাই উইথ দিস। তো আমার অরিজিনাল ডিএফএ টা হচ্ছে এরকম, my original DF is like this. Are you listening to me, guys?
Yes, sir.
এটা হচ্ছে এরকম,
Yes, sir.
এটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট স্টেপটা হচ্ছে ডিএফএ কনভার্ট টু এনএফএ বাই রিভার্স। রিভার্স বলি না, ওটাকে ইনভার্স বলি না, না রিভার্স বলি। রিভার্স করেন, তো রিভার্স করলে এটা কিরকম হবে? ইট উইল বি সামথিং লাইক দিস। ফাইনাল স্টেট উড বিকাম স্টার্ট স্টেট, epsilon, this would become a comma b, then this would become a comma b, this one a comma b, a comma b, finally this one is a, this one is magnified state, that one. রিভার্স, ঠিক আছে, রিভার্স করলাম, ডান। তাহলে আমার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা কি? এটার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা কি? অরিজিনাল ডিএফ এর ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ যদি এল হয়, এটার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হচ্ছে এল আর। এম আই রাইট?
স্যার ফাইনাল
Yes, sir.
স্টেটটা স্যার ডিরেকশনটা চেঞ্জ হবে না স্যার?
ফাইনাল স্টেটের কোন ডিরেকশন?
দ্য ফাইনাল স্টেটের নিচে যে স্টেটটা আছে স্যার, স্যার ওইটার সেলফ লুপটা স্যার।
সেলফ লুপটা তো চেঞ্জ হইলে এটাতেই থাকবে, চেঞ্জ হইলে তো এটাতেই থাকবে। এইভাবে থাকলে এটা চেঞ্জ হতে এটাতেই থাকে। হ্যালো,
স্যার পরেরটাতে স্যার, নিচেরটাতে স্যার।
এটা
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, এটা চেঞ্জ করছি তো, চেঞ্জ করলাম তো।
ক্লকওয়াইজ এন্টি ক্লকওয়াইজ যেটাই দাও ওইটার মধ্যেই তো থাকে, এটাই
না,
বলছি।
ওটা তো চেঞ্জ হয় না, ওটা তো সবসময় সেমই থাকে। এটা না, এটা না, এটা আছে, ঠিক আছে। এখন তাহলে এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা রিভার্স ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ অ্যাকসেপ্ট করে এই এনএফএ। এবার কি করবেন? এই এনএফএ কে ডিএফএ করেন, এই এনএফএ কে ডিএফএ করেন, কি পাবেন?
Same হবে না।
না, সেম পাবেন না, ক্যাপচা আছে এখানে। এটাকে ডিএফএ করেন তাহলে কি হবে? হোয়াট উড বি দ্য ডিএফএ? হোয়াট উড বি দ্য ডিএফএ? দ্য ডিএফএ উড বি সামথিং লাইক দিস। এটাকে যদি ডিএফএ করেন তাহলে আপনি পাবেন যে ডিএফএ ওটা অ্যাকসেপ্ট করবে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ রিভার্স। And what would be the DFA? What would be the DFA? What would be the DFA? Tell me. Come on, Colin. What would be the DFA?
Um, sir, জানি না।
What would be the DFA? Tell me. Let's take all this. Let's start from here. Let's call this state number. This one A. This one B. This one C. This one D. This one E. So এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে নন রিচেবল। সো এটা ক্রস আউট। তাহলে এটা স্টার্ট করবে এখান থেকে ই এপসাইলন, তারপর সিইং এ, why should I go ed, both they come up, yes, তারপর ed should go ec।
স্যার বাকিটা পারবো স্যার, টেবিল করে করতে
না না
হবে।
না, এখনো প্রসেসটা বলি নাই পুরোপুরি। এ কমা বি ইসি, তারপর সি কোথায় যাবে ইসি, ইবি
EP,
এ কমা বি, তারপর হচ্ছে গিয়ে বি কোথায় যাবে, বি এতে যাবে
A,
এ, আর ই এতে যাবে ই এ, আর বিতে কোথায় যাবে, বিতে যাবে ডেথ স্টেট। দেন এ কমা বি। এবার এটাকে আবার রিভার্স করে, এটাকে আবার রিভার্স করে। এটাকে রিভার্স করলে কি পাবো? এটাকে রিভার্স করলে এবার পাবো একটা এনএফএ, যেটা হচ্ছে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ রিভার্স টু দি পাওয়ার রিভার্স, which is nothing but original language. So what would be the NFA? It would be something like this. This is the final state, this is the start state. So it would be like this: EA, A, AB, then AB, AB, this one. Am I right? E. Am I right or not? Tell me. Come on. EA, A, I'm going to EB, A comma B, I'm going to this one, AB, I'm going to this one. Finally, I got AB, I'm going to E. So I'll get a NFA here. And this one would be cross out. Then finally convert it to DF. Then you will get the minimization. Is it clear to you guys? So this is the algorithm.
অনেক complicated.
DFA to NFA by reverse. You will
Yeah.
get language reverse. Convert that NFA to DFA. You will get language reverse DFA. Then convert this DFA to NFA by reverse. Then you will get language reverse, that is the language. Finally convert that NFA to DFA, you will get the minimization. That is his technique actually. Did you get it? So we should stop here today. What can you say? You can try at home. If you start, you can let me know. Okay? This is the technique. But it is very complicated. And what is the complexity? O to the power 2 to the power n. Very high cost. Okay, guys?
Sir, is this needed?
Is this needed? এই যে ও প্রশ্ন করলো স্যার,
No,
একটু
sir.
দেখান। ও বললো যে দেখাতে, এই কারণে
ও
দেখান।
আচ্ছা, okay.
He asked me to show that one. I show করলাম। ঠিক আছে স্যার?
জি
জি,
স্যার।
জি স্যার।
Okay, we should stop here today. So have a nice weekend and have a nice Eid vacation. Eid Mubarak to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy
Eid
your
Eid
Mubarak,
Mubarak,
sir.
sir.
মোবারক স্যার।
Eid Mubarak, sir. Eid Mubarak, sir.
ঠিক আছে, ভালো থাকেন, সুস্থ থাকেন, খাওয়া দাওয়া ভালো মতো করে নেন আপনারা।
জি স্যার।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
All right, guys.
জি স্যার, আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।